Hey you guys, it's me Via, and today I'm going to be doing a little bit of a creative DIY video. And the reason why I'm doing this video is because my coworker Jonathan, I recently gifted him some DIY clothing pins for Christmas. I basically made some clothing pins out of things that he loves or things that he says, and he really felt like I should make a YouTube video about it, and I think he just wants to know how I made them. Usually I wear clothing pins on my jackets or my backpacks or bags, and they're usually really personalized to me. This one my mom got me when she went to visit Hawaii. This one I got from a guest at work. This one I got from a downtown LA art walk like 6 years ago. So usually they're a little more sentimental, but I figured that when I do this video, I might as well just make some funny little cute ones of things that I love to say or things that I love to watch. So if you want to see how easy it is to make these pins and which ones I decided to make, stay tuned. So for my pins, I use these plastic takeout boxes. I get them from Smart & Final. The important thing is, wherever you get your plastic, just make sure in the recycling triangle there's the number 6. That particular grade of plastic is perfect for making pins. So to make it easier to draw on, I separate the top from the bottom. Then you can start drawing your design as long as the area is a flat area of plastic. For this particular pin, I need a border, so I figured I would just use the shape from the takeout box that it came with and make a frame. So the frame looked pretty large, so I ended up making a smaller frame on the inside to start my graphic retro pin. So now I'm just going to cut out my design on the secondary frame I made that was smaller than the first one. So now that it's all cut out, you can see that this grade of plastic is really thin and very flexible. So now that I showed you how, this is actually my second design. I say this all the time, and it is important to make sure that you do not keep sharp corners or sharp edges, because once the pin thickens, it'll be way too sharp and even dangerous. So now that I rounded my edges, I also drew my third pin. This is Dwight Schrute from The Office. So then you're going to preheat your oven to 300 degrees and put your drawn pieces of plastic on a cookie sheet or some sort of metal flat sheet that can go in the oven. Then once they're in the oven, it only takes a few seconds and they will start to curl up. It's pretty cool to watch actually. They curl up and then they shrink and then they flatten out. Look at how adorable they look when they come out of the oven. They're so tiny and the plastic went from being razor thin to thick. Now you're just going to turn the pin around and paint it. I used acrylic paint. You could also use colored Sharpies if you like. Now you want to seal in the color from the back and the front. You can just use clear nail polish, put a thick coat on there and let it dry and then turn it over and do the same. But I had Mod Podge. This is to seal in acrylic paint. So you just spray a coat on the back just to kind of seal in the paint, and then you let that dry. And once it's nice and dry, you're going to turn them over and seal in the black Sharpie that you used for the outline. Here they are, all sealed, and they are standing up because I hot glue gunned a clothing pin behind them. I got them from Amazon, but you could use a safety pin. So the pins are now all mixed in with the sentimental pins and the personalized pins that I just made. And honestly, all I can say is, bruh. Like, I love all of these pins so much. I love my Dwight Schrute, false. I love my 1988, which is representing the year that I was born. I just honestly really had so much fun with this project. And if you guys make some, please shoot me some pictures, because with this, you can get as creative as you want. You can make a pin you have never seen, a pin that no one has ever even thought of. Like, this is just so much fun. I loved this project, and I hope that you try it out, or at least appreciated the fact that I made my own. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day or night. Bye, guys. And 1988, since that was the amazing year that I was born.
Conborn.
Did you say conborn? Yes, I did. And it's right, because it was the year I was conceived and born, so conborn.